In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust line spacing in Outlook emails. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the spacing controls and how to make your message look clean, readable, and professional. Start by opening Outlook in your web browser and heading to your inbox. From there, click New to begin composing. If you're given a choice of what to create, choose Mail so you're working in a standard email draft. Click into the message body and write your content. It's much easier to judge spacing when you have at least a few lines or a short paragraph on the screen. You can type a quick sample paragraph or paste in the text you plan to send. Don't worry about perfect wording yet, we're focused on formatting. Now look at the formatting ribbon across the top of the Compose window. This is the toolbar that holds options like font, size, bold, alignment, and more. Find the line and paragraph spacing button there. It typically looks like stacked horizontal lines next to an up and down arrow. This control manages how much vertical space appears between your lines and paragraphs. Click the spacing button to open the menu of options. You'll see familiar choices like single, 1.15, 1.5, or double spacing. Select the spacing you prefer. As soon as you pick one, Outlook applies it to the text where your cursor is currently placed. If you only want to change spacing for a specific section, highlight that portion first and then choose your spacing. If you want to format the entire message at once, select all of your text and then make the change so everything updates together. As you test different spacing values, read a few lines out loud or preview your paragraphs to see what feels most comfortable. Slightly looser spacing, such as 1.15 or 1.5, often improves readability, especially on longer emails. If the spacing menu includes options to add or remove space before or after paragraphs, use those to fine-tune how tight or open your sections appear. This is especially helpful for headings, signatures, or separating bullet-style lists without overusing blank lines. When you're happy with the look of your message, continue writing and editing as normal. Your chosen line spacing will remain in place for the selected text, and recipients will see a cleaner layout that's easier to scan. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook, start a new mail, draft your message, click the spacing control in the ribbon, and select the spacing that makes your email clear and polished.